With a low budget, still hold myself like a queen. Come to the flats and build with Ruth the Raven. Look out the window and see kids playing. Ladies in their burqa self-favorites from Africa. Fellas shooting hoots in the yard in Carlton. Some are doing it hard, but together we work, smile, cry, laugh.
We work, cry, smile, laugh. We work, cry, smile, laugh. We work, cry, smile, laugh. We work, cry, smile. Since 1880s when many came from all parts of the world, the streets were paved with hope and gold. All along like on new ways were made in Carlton. In these concrete blocks and bricks where we raise the kids and grow within this brand new tribal multicultural rainbow in Carlton. Strong community friends is the spirit in the air. we are different and we are same. We teach each other many games in Carlton, in Carlton.